Okay, group, the most common value. So here on number 1 in our review, it says, which measure of central tendency comes from the most common value? Kind of a weird way to say it, huh? But the most common value means what happens most often. And that is the mode. The mode happens most often. Number 2, which measure of central tendency is found using the middle value? So which one is the middle? That's our median. The median is the middle. A way that you can think about that is on the road. Like if you're driving, right, and you have 2 different ways of going, sometimes right here there will be grass or something like that. That is the median, so it's the middle of the 2 roads there. All right, number 3, which measure of central tendency is found by calculating the sum? Which means you add all of the numbers together of all the values and dividing this value by the number of terms in that data set. This is the average, right? This is the average or the mean. All right, number 4, what statistic is found by subtracting the maximum value, which is the largest number, and the minimum value, the smallest number. If you subtract those, you find the range. Okay, number 5, true or false. Finding the range of a data set is the same thing as finding the interquartile range. This is false. So the range is max minus min. The interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1, and those are different from the maximum and the minimum. Number 6, the data must be in order to find the mean of the data set. So if we're trying to find the average, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if the data is in order to find the mean. Number 7, true or false? The median of the following data set is 18. Okay, so we need to find the middle number. So we need to first put these in order. So 4, 5, 8, 9, 12, 13, 18. Okay, so our middle number is 9. Okay, so this would be false because 9 is the middle number. Slash, put them in order. This would have been true if we didn't have to put them in order, but since we have to put them in order, it should be 9. Number 8, true or false, the mode of the following data set is 2 and 5. So 5 happens 1, 2 times. 2 happens also twice, so this would be true. They both happen the same amount of times. Ooh, group, let's rewind. 1, there's 2 8s as well. So since there's 2 8s, this would actually be false. So there are also 2 8s in this one. Okay, number 9, we're creating a histogram displaying the top women's figure skating scores of 2010. So let's make sure. It looks like these are in order from bottom to top, which is great. So we'll go from 160 to 170. It doesn't look like there's anything there. 170 to 180. It's going to be these two. And then 180 to 190. We have 4. $190 to 200. We have 1. 200 to 210. We have 2. And 210 to 220, there's none. 220 to 230, we have one. So this is definitely right skew because our tail goes to the right.